Step into a world of excitement and wonder with our latest indoor marvel, Royal Soft Play. Designed to ignite imaginations and provide endless hours of fun, this custom-built playground equipment is every child's dream come true. Introducing Royal Soft Play, where safety meets adventure. With a soft, cushioned flooring EVA mat providing a secure foundation, children can explore and play with confidence. Dive into the ball pool, slide down the straight slide, navigate through foam cubes, and conquer the rock-climbed wall, all within the comfort of a safe and inviting environment. But what truly sets Royal Soft Play apart is its commitment to quality and innovation. Crafted with care and precision, each element of this indoor playground is designed to stimulate creativity and promote physical activity. Picture the laughter and excitement as kids dive into the ball pool, zoom down the slide, build forts with foam cubes, and conquer the rock-climbed wall. With Royal Soft Play, the possibilities for adventure are endless, providing a dynamic and engaging play experience for children of all ages. From the vibrant colors to the durable materials, every detail is crafted with the needs and preferences of children in mind. And with its customizable features, you can create the perfect indoor playground to suit your space and style. Whether it's a cozy corner in a daycare or a vibrant play area in a family entertainment center, Royal Soft Play brings joy and excitement wherever it goes. So, whether they're climbing, sliding, jumping, or exploring, Royal Soft Play promises a world of fun and adventure for children of all ages.